Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and doing the first actionable checks. Power cycle the Tenda, unplug it for 10 to 20 seconds, then plug it back and wait about 2 minutes for a full boot. This clears transient faults. Inspect the WAN Ethernet. Make sure the cable is seated and not frayed. A loose cable mimics router failure. Next, verify your ISP by connecting directly to the modem or checking another device on cellular, because you need to know whether the problem is local or upstream. Once done with hardware checks, log into the Tenda web UI at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1 using your admin password. If you cannot, perform a 10-second factory reset, then re-login. Check the WAN status to see if the router receives an IP, gateway, and DNS. This tells you if the router and modem talk correctly. If your ISP uses DHCP versus static, set that accordingly. To finish, reconfigure or confirm the LAN and wireless settings, set a clear SSID and password, save changes, and reboot the router to apply everything. Test with a wired device first, then wireless. Run a speed test and ping the gateway to verify connectivity and latency. If issues persist, try a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've recorded PPPoE, static IP, or DNS settings beforehand so you can restore quickly. If it still fails, contact your ISP with your diagnostics ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.